Top 9 vegetables to include in your diet to burn belly fat. 1. Spinach and other leafy greens. Spinach and other leafy green vegetables like kale, lettuce, etc. are great for burning belly fat and are very nutritious as well. There have been some studies done on the subject of the fat-burning capabilities of spinach, and the very healthy veggie has come out a winner in this category. Add a little cooked or blanched spinach to your breakfast or lunch to set your body on track for some major fat burn. 2. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are delicious and loved by vegetarians and non-vegetarians alike. They have even started making appearance as an ingredient in coffees to increase their nutritional value. Mushrooms have been known to promote weight loss and fat burn by regulating the levels of glucose in the blood. Added bonus? They're rich in protein and can help you increase your metabolism, resulting in fat loss. 3. Cauliflower and broccoli. Apart from high-quality fiber and a host of health-boosting minerals and vitamins, broccoli contains phytochemicals that help enhance fat loss in the body. The same goes for cauliflower. Apart from being filling, cauliflower helps fight bloating and contains phytonutrient sulforaphane, as well as good amounts of folate and vitamin C. 4. Chillies. A lot of health freaks swear by chili peppers for burning fat. Recent studies have demonstrated that the heat generated by consumption of chilies helps utilize more calories and essentially oxidizes layers of fat in the body. But if you don't like the burn of the chili peppers, all non-hot varieties of the fruit may also do the trick, as they contain capsaicin, which is responsible for burning fat. 5. Pumpkin. Low in calories and high in fiber, pumpkin is one of the best vegetables to include in your weight loss diet. Whether you like to blanch it and eat it in salads or add pumpkin powder to your smoothies and vegetable drinks, pumpkin can help you reach your body goals quicker. 6. Carrots. Carrots are one of the best low-calorie vegetables to include in your weight loss diet. Carrots are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber and, hence, fit the bill perfectly when it comes to healthy weight loss. Blend it with other fruits or vegetables to make a healthy, nutrient-rich fat burn juice, or stir-fry it along with your meat dishes to make this veggie work its magic on you. 7. Beans. Beans are one of the healthiest foods you can consume, but they are specifically great for belly fat loss as they are rich in soluble fiber, which fights inflammation that cause belly fat accumulation. Some studies have linked the consumption of beans to a reduced risk of obesity. 8. Asparagus. Asparagus isn't as popular a veggie as others on this list, but it's a wonder food when it comes to burning fat and slimming down. Asparagus contains the chemical asparagine, which is an alkaloid that acts directly on cells and breaks down fat. You can roast asparagus and directly consume it with dips or stir-fry them along with other mains. 9. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are good for detoxifying your system, and due to the presence of water and fiber, they fill you up as well, eliminating the need for you to eat more often. They're regularly used in making fat-burning juices, as they are very low in calories and, hence, can be consumed as a healthy mid-meal snack too. Vegetables and fruits have a lot of fiber and are full of nutrition like essential minerals and vitamins that may help your body improve metabolism and subsequently burn belly fat. Including these in your diet may help you not just in your weight loss journey, but also to live a long and healthy life. The phrase "abs are made in the kitchen" is not an exaggeration, and including these fat-burning veggies in your diet will help you reach your body goals faster. Vegetables are brimming with fiber, which help to fill you up, since fiber takes a while to digest and hence prevent you from overeating. Local, seasonal vegetables are also a good source of antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins that are essential for a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated for our next videos. Thank you for watching.